It's Thursday gratitude. So today's card is cooperation. So if you feel alone, you could definitely go further with a teammate by your side. You don't have to do it by yourself. And even if you do feel alone, then reach out, go on Meetup or Eventbrite and see what's there. Find a women's circle or men's circle, or just see what's there. You don't have to do it alone. So the cooperation card reminds us that life works better together, whether it's a shared goal or simply just learning to get along.